happening, folks? It's your guy Rashad, Action Sports Bar and Grill with another day in the life of a bar owner, food truck owner, restaurant owner. Appreciate y'all checking us out. Make sure to give us a like or follow. Check us out on our socials. Stop by the bar. So today's event is it's at the Weed Shop. It's a lunch and dinner service at one of the dispensaries out in Buckley, Washington, right in the foothills of Mount Rainier. Beautiful area out there, and it's really only about a 10-minute drive down the street from our Sumner location. Weed Shop might not be for everybody. Dispensary might not work for everyone, but hashtag stoner food is literally written on both of our trucks. Our food is fantastic, and we love stoners, and they appreciate smoked brisket, mac and cheese, and deep fried mac and cheese egg rolls and soul bowls. So right on brand for us, nothing weird. Just as comfortable there as we are at a church service or doing donated services or services at elementary schools. It doesn't matter. We get in where we fit in, which is pretty much everywhere. This service was in the middle of winter. We are a Four Seasons food truck. I know a lot of food trucks, they close down come the winter months. Lack of business, slow down, stuff like that. I totally understand it, but for us, we stay open and stay busy with catering gigs, and we do our donated services, and then we try to do as many parties as we can too. So cold service, dead of winter, but you know, that's how we do it. Action Sports Bar, Action Food Trucks are all family operated and owned businesses, so it's all hands in anytime we can. If you got a day off or some downtime, I'm gonna try to put you to work. If your last name is Tate, that's just kind of how I operate. So I had my big brother with me on the truck. My kid came along with me. My mom helped set up in the morning and do prep. So if you're around and you know you're on the team, I'm gonna put your ass to work. Kind of how it goes. But honestly, that's one of the things I love most about having my own business is the ability to work with family and for us all to be able to kind of support each other like that. So it's one of the things I like most. It's dope. Stick around to the end of the video for my pro tip this week. Yeah, just bust them open and you can put them either back in that bag that you just put underneath there, or you can just bust them open and put them in the plastic bag. Because we're going to put those inside the change machine.
I'm not doing business this year, I already decided.
Been decided. Experience over things.
What's that?
You get experiences over things.
My lady, she got a $50.
Perfect. Maddie, what's happening, sir? What up, Mark?
You got a nice holiday?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna cut up the remaining lettuce, Mark.
Yeah. You went in there and got you a handful, huh? I came out, looked around, I said, where'd you go?
Camille said, Nana. I guess he remembers that's his money.
Yeah, he does remember that's his money. I was just talking about it yesterday. I still have my last quarter bucket from when I bartended. I said I got to keep it well hidden from Nana. She knows where to get it. So let me go ahead and get a little handful of them quarters. Yeah. Got the whole family out there today. It's great. Mom's out there doing prep work. Got the kid out there doing prep work. Big brother's in the kitchen doing work. So, you know, family run operation. That's how it goes. The bar's open now, so we got some regular yahoos out there, but I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. I got to get cheese sauce. I have to get some oil in the truck itself. It's low on motor oil in the generator, so I'm going to get that done. And yeah, knock off shit off the list. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. What's happening, fellas?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Packing up the truck, heading down to the dispensary. Gospel music blaring, heading to the weed shop. Nice. What up? Let's just go ahead and put it up there on the right-hand side behind that yellow tub that's on the floor. Bang. Watch your step. I'll get this out of the way. Gotta put some motor oil in this sucker. Food truck team out here, baby. We cold, but we still getting it done. Let's go. December, but we still keep it pushing. Some food trucks close up for the season, not us, baby. So we're out here at the Green Door, which is a dope ass dispensary out here in Buckley, Bonnie Lake, Sumner area. We recruited Khalil to help us out on the food truck today. He's out on break, so we like, you can come work, come make some money. Working on getting the menu up for us. Let's get it, y'all. Break time. Let's get it. Let's break it. Yeah. We get a chance to try the food. Got the full menu today, except for no kale salad today. That's the summer salad, spring salad.
Spring salad.
Yeah, we got smoked Caesars today instead. Soul bowls. Come on, y'all. We out here at the Green Door Friday night.
Surprisingly, doesn't have a green door.
Does not have a green door. It should have a green door. Action Sumner has a green door.
Yes, we do.
That look alright? Smoked wings. She's safe right now. She's in her safe place. Put a gram. Oh crap. Sorry. One more? Okay. What's up, Mark? Nobody paying that old bitch no mind. Fun way to pass time for guests while they wait for their food. We got a challenge going on today. Come out and you beat our truck hosts in a game of Mario Kart. One race, 100cc. You beat them, you win a free Mama Tate's cookie. All right, finishing the service up out at the Green Door in Buckley. We had a blast tonight. Truck did its thing right down the street from the Sumner location. Good first run. These guys have a fantastic parking lot. They're right here right off the highway, state route. We got this whole side to ourselves, lights going, music going. We was bringing in a bit of a crowd. Not as bad as we want it to be. Obviously, we want it to really be killing it. But for our first time out, we are extremely happy with it. So. Back at the bar. Let's get this truck emptied. Baby, you can just slam that behind you. Yeah, you. My pro tip this week is for the food truck operator who is unsure about taking a new location or something you've never been before. That's the pro tip, is take those new locations, even if you're not gonna have a sales guarantee. Especially when you're starting out, it's worth it because you never know what kind of business is gonna come out of that. You also never know how busy the service actually is gonna be. Sometimes you don't need a guarantee if it's busy and you're gonna make $1,500 in sales. So that's my 2 cents, man. It's just sometimes take the new place you've never been. I think we only did about $600 in sales our first time out there, so not great money-wise in sales that day, but that relationship is something now where we go out there and do services all the time. Plus, being right down the street from us, we got their team Christmas party they did here at our Sumner location. So, you know, that was a couple of $1,000s worth of sales that, you know, came down the line later on, but it was born out of the relationship we started by just going to a location we didn't really know well and had no guarantee of sales. So that's my pro tip, man, especially when you're starting out, is just take the opportunities, because you never know what might come out of them. You know, like I said, we got a bunch of sales out of it. Our bar staff who's never done a truck event up there, they were the beneficiaries, so they got hundreds of dollars worth of tips for that party. The business was good. Now we've got a couple of regular people because we're 10 minutes down the road, so a lot of people who live north of here, when they drive to work, they literally drive right by us, and so we got some new regulars out of that. Plus, they brought us a ton of product too. I mean, all kinds of gifts, and wrapped them in Christmas stuff. It was just, it was really cool. So, yeah, that's the pro tip, is you never know what's going to come out of these opportunities. So just take them. That's just my 2 cents. But hell, what do I know?